So yesterday on my personal Instagram account, I posted a reel that is very popular. It is a video of me pulling out a buttonhole in one pull, one big long piece of thread. So what happened was, here you can see I was sewing this Austin dress and not paying attention. So I sewed 10 buttonholes on the front of the left button band and 10 buttonholes on the back of the left button band. So that meant 10 of those had to come out. So everybody wanted to know how I did it. Was it fake? It's not fake. But it is not as simple as just pulling on the top thread of the buttonhole and then the whole thing comes out. Like, the bobbin thread doesn't disintegrate into nothing. So you do have to do a little bit of work, but it's worth it. It's so much easier than seam ripping the whole buttonhole. And now I'm going to show you how I did it. Here is my fake buttonhole. We have green thread for the top thread, orange thread for the bobbin. Now, basically what we're gonna do is just take out the bobbin thread. You guys thought there was like a fancy trick or something. But this is easier than doing it from the front. And if you're gonna screw something up or, like, you know, cut a thread of your fabric, you'd rather have it be on the back of the button band. And the other issue that I have is that I have extremely bad vision, and so I have to take my glasses off to see up close due to my prescription. So this could be a little wild. Here we go. Just gonna take our seam ripper, and you can see this is the bobbin thread of the bar tack at the end. Just gonna cut that. Then we have the bar tack at the other end. Slice that and make sure you cut through both of them. Now here at this end is the knot that my machine tied. I'm just gonna kind of loosen that up. Now all we do This is a lot easier when there's not a camera and a tripod in front of your face. You can get through buttonholes pretty quick like this. And then at the bottom, pull that out. Then we have to do the other side. Now the last thing is there is a little bit of bobbin thread right here. That is the stitch line that your that your machine sewed to get from one end of the buttonhole to the other for the second side of the buttonhole. So now we flip it over. I kind of ate a little bit of the buttonhole because I couldn't see what I was doing. And then you pull it out. That's all there is to it. Do a little scrunchie. Can't even tell it was there. All right, so that is all there is. I know I told you guys there was magic, but there's actually no magic. I'm really sorry. There's just seam ripping, which is kind of magic because, you know, you can sew something, take it out, it's like it never happened. So that is a little bit magical. But yeah, it's really just seam ripping and things in the right order.